Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank my respected teachers and my all dear friends who gave me a golden chance to speak in front of you. I am Ekta from Motivational. My father's name is Mr.Ghulam and my mother's name is Ms. Singh. I am learning English speaking from Global Spoken English. Today I am going to deliver a speech on the topic of importance of electricity. So let's start. Electricity is one of the most important blessings that science has given to mankind. It has given modern life become a part of modern life, and one cannot think without it of word without electricity. Electricity has many uses in our day-to-day life. Used for lighting rooms, working fans, and domestic appliances like using electric stoves and AC and more. All this provide comfort to people. In factories, large large electric with help of electricity machines, large machines. Now I would like to finish my topic here. Thank you for listening.